Welcome to our comparison video where we will take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the upgraded Portable Washing Machine. Both of these machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them ideal for small spaces such as dorms, apartments, and RVs. In this video, we will compare their capacities, features, and overall value to help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine boasts a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, which includes 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spin drying. This makes it suitable for larger loads compared to the upgraded portable washing machine, which has a total capacity of 16 Ls. While both machines are designed for small spaces, the BANGSON offers a significant advantage in terms of capacity, allowing users to wash more items at once, making it ideal for families or those with larger laundry needs. The BANGSON features a twin tub design, which allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, enhancing efficiency. In contrast, the upgraded portable washing machine is foldable, making it extremely space-saving and portable, perfect for travel. While the BANGSON's design is more traditional and may require more space, the upgraded model's foldable feature makes it easy to store and transport, catering to users who prioritize convenience and portability. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine offers multiple wash modes, including soft, normal, and drain, providing versatility for different laundry needs. On the other hand, the upgraded portable washing machine has 3 basic cleaning modes with shorter timers, making it suitable for quick washes. While the BANGSON provides more options for tailored washing experiences, the upgraded model is designed for simplicity and ease of use, appealing to those who need a straightforward solution for their laundry. In conclusion, both the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the upgraded portable washing machine have their unique strengths. The BANGSON excels in capacity and functionality, making it a great choice for larger loads and more complex washing needs. Meanwhile, the upgraded model offers portability and ease of storage, perfect for those with limited space or who travel frequently. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.